The Aussie market is a touch weaker as we head towards lunch, with the ASX 200 currently 20 points or around 0.3% weaker off the session lows that we saw towards the open this morning. We had a relatively strong lead from Wall Street overnight, but this morning we have seen most sectors in the red. A few of the stronger performers, we've seen the financials boosted by a 0.5% lift in CBA. IT stocks performing quite well this morning so far. We've had the likes of WiseTech up nearly 4%, Afterpay Touch also up about 5% so far. A2 Milk, one of the better performers, also lifting about 5%. They announced that BlackRock, the investment manager, is looking to become a substantial holder in the company. Some of the worst performing sectors have come from the resource side. So we've seen the miners down about 1%. Iron ore fell over 1% last night, and the energy sector as well a bit weaker, coming from a fall of about 2% in oil prices overnight. Woodside, Santos, Oil Search, some of the bigger energy producers down between 1 and 2% so far. In some company news, Kogan is currently down about 10% and in a trading halt. There were reports that two of the co-founders are looking to sell down about $100 million worth of company shares. Kogan did jump about 7.5% yesterday. We've also seen earnings update from Retail Food Group, which owns franchises such as Donut King and Glory Jean's Coffee. They've announced that they're expecting a loss of about $88 million in FY18 due to substantial write-downs. The share price down about 6.5%. And on the economic front, this afternoon at 2:30 will be the RBA meeting. It is widely tipped that interest rates will remain at 1.5%. And we have also just seen come out not too long ago the March quarter current account deficit narrowed to about $10.5 billion. The Aussie dollar trading around 76.5 US cents.